We're making green beans almondine to go with the meatloaf that I made and I put a video up of. But green beans almondine are one of my favorite things, and they're really easy to make. Besides like a few extra steps, like where you have to blanch them and give them an ice bath, but they're so tasty, and it looks like you went to a lot of trouble and you really didn't. You're just letting the almonds and the garlic and the beans do their thing. Blanch the green beans for 3 to 5 minutes in boiling water and then put them in an ice bath. Then use your slithered almonds, your shallots, and your garlic. Not everybody adds onions to their green beans almondine, but since we don't have company and it's just us, I added it because we like onions.